morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, 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 hello. We're live. We're doing it well. What's good in the hood, baby? What's good in the hood? Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Well, funky looking price action here overnight, huh? What was that? What was that? What was that? I see some things going on here. Big pushback up. So we had about what from the 400s down there to the 29,000, so 900. So a 500 point move here this morning at 4 o'clock. What was that all about? What was that all about? What's that all about? Today is July 8th. We've got some news this morning. Wholesale inventories at 10 o'clock. So we'll see what happens. Right now, looking at the NASDAQ here, hourly. Look at that hourly candle. What a dump. We got about a 500 point move down there. 500 point move down. Pretty cray-cray. And right now, straight back up. We got the VWAP there, that white line. You got yesterday's close. Right there, 29,400. So, what a time to be alive. What a time to be alive. We traded last night. If you guys tuned in last night, we traded last night and had some fun. I'm heading to Hawaii. Heading to Hawaii today, so I'm going to be MIA for about a week, and then I'm back next week. But don't you worry. We got Denny. We got D-Money. They're going to hold it down while I'm gone. They're going to hold it down while I'm gone. All right, all right, all right. Do-do, 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 do-do. Uncle Bugatti says, any girls in here? Looking for a girlfriend, Uncle? You looking for a girlfriend, Uncle Bugatti? Oh, God. Dude's looking for a girlfriend on the YouTube chat. Looking for a girlfriend in the YouTube chat. Trying to load up, pull up the leaderboard here for the Legends tournament. See what we got. What happened overnight here? We had obviously the first round of traders get knocked out there, but how's it looking now? How's it looking now? How are we looking? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. God damn it. Why is this so hard? Does everybody have that with Legends? When you log into Legends, the 2FA, Such a bitch. You got to go to your email, then copy it, and then fucking deal with that. It's a real bitch. It's a real bitch. All right. So, the leaderboard, as of right now, the leaderboard, here we are. Kelly Ann, number 11. You know what's going to happen now that everybody made it, the people that made it through the first round, they're going to end up just like coasting now. They're just going to be coasting now. So you got today and tomorrow is the second round of the tournament. Right now we got Dung VH up $2,600 so far. And you got Yush down there. Daniel Inskeep. Some fun stuff going on. We got a big surprise. We got a big surprise coming. I would tell you, should I tell you guys? Will you guys keep a secret? Uncle Bugatti's not here, right? He's not here. It's a secret. I think he's gone. So I can tell you the guy's a secret, right? Fuck, he said he's here already. God damn it. What are you, Uncle Bugatti? Close your eyes, close your ears. Uncle Bugatti, what do you know? He says he already knows the deal. What's the deal? What's the secret? Tell me. Let me. You can make one guess. You can make one guess. It's you? How'd you know that? Who told you that? God damn it. All right. Well, the big surprise is I posted yesterday. The big surprise here. It's me. I'm the surprise. Surprise! I'm the surprise. And when I mean that, what I mean about that is, well, basically, I'm the surprise. So basically, whoever wins the tournament, whoever wins the Legends tournament, gets the chance, right? They get the opportunity, they get the chance to go head to head against Patrick Wieland. That's right. Me versus whoever wins the tournament. It's going to be a battle. Me versus you for $10,000. All you got to do to win $10,000 is beat Patrick Wieland. So, whoever comes out on top of the tournament gets the opportunity to win another $10,000. Head to head, baby. Head to head. Yeah, just fade me, Aaron. Real fucking funny, Aaron. Real fucking funny. I'm not going to show any of my trades during the tournament, idiot. God. I'm going to hide them so nobody knows if I'm long or if I'm short. I'm the most watched YouTuber on YouTube, okay? I'm the most watched day trader on YouTube. You think I'm going to be able to show my trades live so my competition can figure out what I'm doing? I don't think so. I don't think so, buddy boy. That's right. That's right. We're doing it live. We're doing it live. Okay. 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 Uncle Bugatti says he's got money on Matt. What you talking about? Money on you? You should get a buzz cut. No, you should suck my dick. See, doesn't that sound weird? Doesn't Doesn't that sound weird when another man tells you to suck his dick? Doesn't that, you know, doesn't that make you feel weird? It's the same thing when somebody says, hey, you should get a haircut. It's just gay. It's just gay. It's gay, sir. So let's not be gay. What do you guys think about this music? Should we keep the music or change the music? Keep the music or change the music? What's the vibes? How are we feeling? This is last night's music, basically. We'll try this one. Maybe it's a little harder. This one's called Dominate. More power music. This is a little bit more uppity. A little bit uppity. Do I sleep? Yeah, last night I went to bed. Traded till 12 o'clock Eastern, midnight Eastern, and then woke up this morning. It's not too bad. It's like 7 hours of sleep. Not too bad. Ain't bad. That's all you need. That's all you need, chat. That's all you need. Don't you worry. All right, so focusing on the game plan here. What is the game plan? What is the game plan? Pushed up to the VWAP for now, 29,200. Will that act as resistance? Do we sell back down here? Let's take a look. Daily chart. Daily chart swiped all these lows here, but you still got these lows down here next, right? 28,500 area. Can we move down there on the daily candle? We'll stay Wednesday. Middle of the week. Middle of the week here. Weekly candle already kind of swiped those lows. Pushing back up out of this fair value gap right now. It's a fair value gap, okay? It's obvious. It's simple trading. Hawaii fishing trip. Yes! I'm heading to Hawaii today. We're going fishing. Fishing. Dark recon music. Deep cover music. Trap beats. It's hard to find music, man. Every beat is something. Okay. All right, so like I said, NASDAQ pushed back up there to the VWAP for now. ES, very similar chart. ES and the NASDAQ both basically doing exactly the same, right? The NASDAQ, the ES kind of channeling back up here for now. We pushed up to the pivot point there, 7,520 on the ES. 7,520 is that resistance for now, right across there on the ES. Stuck there at the VWAP. Will it start to roll over? ES and NASDAQ looking very similar, obviously. This big move down there at 4 o'clock. And right now, just having to see what happens going into open. Still got plenty of time here. Still got plenty of time. No rush. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. How can you enter the trading cup? Too late to enter, my friend. If you're not an influencer, you can't enter, okay? You're not a part of the club. You can't be in the club. You gotta be an influencer to make the money. Good morning, good morning. We got people in the chat. What's up, what's up? Good morning. If you guys have not already hit that like button, come on. We got 190 likes. We gotta pump those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers. Those are numbers for, I don't want to say it, for some kind of rookie. You know, some kind of rookie rook. That's some rookie numbers. Let's bump up them numbers, baby. Let's bump up them numbers, baby. Let's bump up them numbers, baby. We're gonna bump up them numbers. Do you remember the feeling of getting your first big payout? Oh, do I remember it? It was just like the other day. I remember I woke up, I looked at my account, and I saw that the payout was approved, and I thought to myself, oh my God, what am I gonna do with all of this money? With all of this money. But now I've spent it all, and I'm poor, and now I'm here having to day trade live on YouTube every day to try to make enough money to support my addiction. My addiction of spending money. It's a real problem that I have, okay? I'm addicted. Check out this little payout. That's one single account. One account, one payout. $349,000 from one account. Not bad. Haters gonna hate, but ain't no hate. I'm telling you one thing. I'll tell you one thing, chat. There's not one hater in this chat who's ever gotten a $349,000 payout. Let's be honest. Let's be honest, chat. You know? Are we being honest or are we being honest? Are we being honest or are we being honest? Are we being honest or are we being honest? Okay. And don't worry, that's not the only one. We've done much more. We've done much more. Much more. I got another 660 somewhere here. 660. Where's that 660? 600 to this one. Or 600. This is from 2024, December. We had a $600,000 payout from Apex. So, I mean, hate is gonna hate, play is gonna play. I've been around longer than all these little fucking idiots. They don't, you know what I mean? I'm number one. I'm number one. I post some funny stuff on Twitter. There's some funny stuff on there. Going back and looking through all my stuff is funny. Some funny stuff on there. D-Money with the Ferrari. That was back in April. D-Money. Where's D-Money at? Where's D-Money? Yeah, that's pretty much all. That's all I got. That's the only payout I ever had. I only paid out once. I only made the payout one time. Oh yeah, that one time I bought a Pokemon card for $148,000. Oh my God. Oh my God. $148,000. I'm a crackhead. Back when I was mogging Logan Paul, you know, with my big muscles. With my big muscles. All right, so as you can see right now, we're stuck near the VWAP, stuck right below this 29,200 level. Which way do we go from here? Trade without tears. Says PW, can you talk us through this? How did you achieve that big payout? So I had one account. I had one, I think it was a 300K account. I had one 300K. No, I think it was probably a 150. It was probably a 150. Ugh. I traded it for 60 days, got multiple payouts, and then got the full balance payout. So it's pretty much how I did it. That's pretty much how I did it, you know what I mean? Go to the moon says, do we swipe down at open to continue long from 28,900? Swipe down and then go long? Okay. Okay. Yeah, Apex does not do the full balance payout anymore. That was back in 2025. So back in the good old days, back when prop firms used to just give out free money for everybody. Just giving out free money to everybody back in the day. Nowadays, not so easy. But is what it is. You gotta live and you gotta survive, people. You gotta get through it. Getting through life here. 29,000. 29,000. $29,200 right now. Holding up there for now. Gotta see what happens. Being patient, waiting, watching, looking, hoping, praying. Anything's possible. Right now, pumping straight back up there. 29,220 now. Huh. Man, this music's not really hitting either. That's too much. Music's hard. 29,200, pushing back up there right now. Being patient, getting ready here for market open. I think obviously it looks bearish, right? We're pushing back up in the middle of this big dump candle. The only thing that I'm kind of looking at here now is the fact that on the daily chart, we have that big wick there on the daily chart. So I guess the $1 million question is, will they kind of leave that down here and start to push back up now? And then that would be a big inverted head and shoulders to go higher. I don't know, man. What do you think, chat? Up or down at open? Let's do a poll. Up or down? Up or down? Do a poll. Maybe. What the fuck? It's loading. The poll is so hard to figure out. It's loading now. What the fuck? Top chat loading. Where's the poll at? Start a poll. Up or down at open? All right, we got a poll in the chat. No ceasefire, Trump said. No more. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Daddy Trump said no ceasefire. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. All right, so we got the poll going here. Right now, the poll here is 53% voting up, 48. Oh, a little change up here. Oh, 50-50. 50-50. It's 50-50. All right, well, 50-50. 50-50. Fitty. Fitty. Pretty much it's 50-50. You gotta love it. 50-50. 50-50. All right. So now that we know the direction, now that we know the direction, you know, now that we know exactly the direction here. The news overnight or whatever. President Trump declares U.S.-Iran ceasefire and memorandum understanding over at NATO summit. It's over. Trump said, "To me, I think it's over. I don't want to deal with them. They're sick people. They're vicious, violent people. It's just a waste of time dealing with them. They're liars." You gotta love it. Back to war, baby. Time to send in the big boys. Look at that thing. That'd be fun to drive. That thing's hauling ass. That thing's hauling ass. It's hauling ass. Look at that. Holy shit. That thing is hauling ass. All right, we got about 9 minutes here. 9 minutes till market opens. Right now, Dump City overnight. Little pump back up here so far. We held those lows down there, 28,900s. The $1 million question everybody wants to know, can we go lower from here? Or will we pump back up there? Yeah, I'd say at open, if we start selling, just got to jump in short. We'll break. There's been a little bit of support kind of like in this area, but if we break down through there, whee, to the downside. Like I said, on the bigger picture, on the weekly chart, we still have kind of an area of interest to the downside there, right? This wick right there. We might not go there today, but maybe this week we head there. Market's been topped out here for a minute. These are weekly candles. If you look at the daily candle, kind of the same thing inside this big range right now. So these lows down here, 28,700 area, 650s. The low there, actually 520s. 28,520 area. Looking at down there. So we're getting ready. We're getting ready. We're getting ready, chat. Getting ready. Donald said, Patrick, I had a chance to work on the nuclear part of the Abraham Lincoln. That ship is like a city on water, bro. Shit, we got a nuclear engineer in the chat. We got a nuclear engineer in the chat. I should have known. This whole time, I thought, I was like, man, how is the chat so smart? How does the chat always know exactly what's gonna happen? You know, the chat's so smart. And now I know. We got nuclear engineers in the chat. God damn. This whole time, I thought that the chat was a bunch of fucking retards, but I'm starting to learn more and more. La 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 la. All right. 5 minutes till market opens. Go ahead and make your prayers now. Pray now. Pray now. Make your prayers now. For we have arrived at the moment. Our destiny is waiting. Our destiny is waiting. Will we blow all of our accounts? Will we make some money? Oh my God. Anything's possible. Anything is possible here, chat. Anything. That's right. Anything could happen. I gotta make my hair messier so I get more comments, make more money. I gotta, there, oh, it looks way better. It makes way better. Makes it way better. Makes it way better. Better, better, better. Pat, Trump is about to speak. Heads up. All right, heads up. PW, when you said you're the biggest and the largest, what does that mean? I mean, it means exactly what do you think it means? I am the biggest and I'm the largest in all facets. What else could it possibly mean? What else could it possibly mean, sir? I literally said I'm the biggest and the largest. What other interpretation of there is there? Okay. 29,180. Pushing back up right. I got a wick on the bottom of this 5-minute candle. Interesting. Going into open here, will they pump it before they dump it? Will they dump it before they pump it? John T. Great. No, there are others who make millions. Whatever you say, John T. Go watch them. Then you go watch those fuckers. There's others who make millions. Well, okay. Good luck with that. Go watch them. Exactly. You're here watching me. You're here watching me, idiot. Oh my God, the pump before they open here. Right back up, 200, 220s, 228. Oh my God, we're going to the moon here. We got the VWAP there, 240s. La 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 la. Pump before the dump, maybe. We'll see. Right now, NASDAQ straight back up, 29,220s, moving. She's a moving. She's a moving, baby. She's going up, 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 up. I'd say the best plan right now is just to be patient, right? Don't go chasing waterfalls. It's all good. You don't need to do anything crazy. So just be patient. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens, chat. No rush. Just keep it easy, keep it peasy. Keep it easy, keep it peasy. I do have to go to the bathroom, though. I'm not going to lie. I got to go to the bathroom. I am not lying. I do have to go to the bathroom here at some point. We got 40 seconds. 40 seconds till market opens. Get ready, my friends. Get ready. What are we going to get here? 30 seconds. 40 seconds. All right, like I said, if we lose this 150 area, we lose that support. Well, we'll be looking for that overnight low down there possible. Here we go, 20 seconds. Gonna sweep liquidity and then dump. It's a good plan, good plan. That is a good plan, we'll see. La 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 la. Count it down with me, 5. If you have not hit that like button, go ahead and blow up that like button. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. It's open. So far, straight up. So far, straight up. $260s on that first pump. Gotta see. It'd be hilarious if we go all the way back up to fill that gap now. Everybody was bearish, and now we're just gonna pump to the fucking moon. All right, through the VWAP there, 270, 280s now, still going straight up. Still going straight up there. If we start to swipe back down here and get back below 200, I might be looking for those shorts. But for now, just kind of let this go higher first. Let that go higher first, and then look for a short setup. Still poppity popping here. Five-minute candle right now doesn't really have a wick on the bottom, but you can see we're still pumping. 280s now. 280s now. This is that previous area of resistance here, of support actually. So 280, 290 level. We bounced there this morning. We got up to this 400 level, and then we dumped straight back down. So, oh my, wow. Just straight up now. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Look at that. They're gonna go for that gap fill, I think. They're going for that gap fill here. Yesterday's close is around that 380 area. Gotta love it. Nvidia pumping straight to the moon as well from the 195 open up there to the 197s. Right now, NASDAQ pushing back up here. Yesterday's open, or yesterday's close, is right here. 29,380s. That's the gap possible. So Trump's talking, people are buying. Oh, man. All right, so far, NASDAQ pumping straight up here through the 300s. Will there be some support or more momentum, I guess, to pump it all the way up there to fill that gap, that 400 level possible? What gap am I talking about? I'm talking about yesterday's close. Where did the market close at yesterday at 4 o'clock? That's the gap that we're looking at here. All right, where did the market close yesterday? It closed at that 400 level. So that's what we're looking at here. They're like bull flagging right now, trying to pop it here. That high so far, 320 area. You got the ES turning back up, got the NASDAQ kind of stuck here, 300s for now. Holding above that fair value gap there for now. La, 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 la. Holding 300s for now. It needs to go to try to get that push all the way, but if not, we're pulling back here, so be careful. What's going to happen here? Little pump here again. Oh yeah, they pumped it right back up. I'm going to try a quick long here to see if that continues. Oh my lord. Straight back down there. You guys get trapped right at the top of that fucking move. Wow. You gotta love that. Straight back down there for now. Straight back down for what? Just to go right back up. You gotta love it. All right, let's try it one more time here. Keep this party going. Nope. Oh my lord. Just chopping here. That is not looking good. That is not looking good. Wow. Straight back down here now. Oh lord. I'm gonna give it a little bit of room, but luckily these are evals, so we're okay. Let's see. Can we bounce back up off this EMA again? Can we bounce back here? Straight back down. Oh my lord. She's gone for now. Back towards the VWAP. I'm gonna try one more Hail Mary here. We need a Hail Mary here to bounce straight back up here quick. Bounce straight back up here quick. I'll take it right there. Oh, Hail Mary, baby. Hail Mary. Off the fair value gap. We got saved. Oh, it went straight back up. Look at that. Straight back up. It's okay. Sometimes you just gotta go Hail Mary for it. Someone said this is gambling. Welcome to the fucking gambling show, baby. We're here doing it live. Live gambling daily. Don't be a bitch. These are 150K accounts. Take Profit Trader. 150K accounts. I think if we get back above 300 here again, I might try another long. We'll see. Evals don't give you $15,000 drawdown. It's copy trading, you dumb motherfuckers. You guys understand copy trading, right? That's not 15 contracts per account. God. Which eval has $20,000 drawdown? Guys, it's called copy trading. We have multiple accounts. I like this pushback up here now. Do we go long for the push all the way through? Let's try it. We're going to try to get this pump out of here, maybe. Look for like 340s or more. There we go. Well, that's pretty good. We'll take that. From the 303s up there to the 44s, that's 50 points now. That's 50 points on that long. Is that good, chat? Was that a good trade? Do you guys like that? You guys happy with that? You guys happy? Is everybody happy? Everybody happy now? Are you happy that we're gambling? Are you guys happy that we're gambling here? Fucking idiots. Look at that. Look at that gamble. Still pumping. That is now 70 points to the upside there if you took that long. So guess what? Where do we go to? What did I say? Fill the gap. ... Fill in the gap here. Oh my God, Patrick. How did you know it was going to fill the gap? Well, I didn't know it would fill the gap, but it did either way. So congratulations to everybody who listens to PW and likes to make a little bit of money. BDH Tribe Casino. We got that tribal casino up in here. All right, well, you can see they pushed it right up there to fill that gap now. And this is all going back to this idea that we had this morning, right? We had a very kind of clear idea. If we looked here this morning, what I was saying was, well, we already swiped all these lows down here, right? So big wick there on the daily candle right now. Will this start to push back up into the middle of this area? Kind of playing into the idea it's like a higher low, and then kind of getting tighter for a breakout later on. Not today, but in the future here. Nvidia's going straight to the moon right now. ES also popped up. ES is also popping up here. So 520s on the ES kind of played out. Fellow Native American from Oklahoma, we support BDH. BDH. We got to do the dance. BDH. 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 I'm pretty happy that either way, the haters are going to hate, the players are going to play. We made some money this morning. Big shout out to Tradevate. Tradevate Prop, the official trading platform of Patrick Wieland and the BDH. If you see me trading, I'm on Tradevate. That's right, Ninja Trader, Tradevate, the biggest, the largest. What it do, what it do, what it do. Does Lucid also have the 5 bundle? No, only Tradeify right now. Tradeify has that bundle deal going on. The bundle. We got a bundle. You know what I'm excited about, chat? I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty excited. I'm heading to Hawaii today. We're going fishing. You know I love fishing. We got a tournament. We're going marlin fishing. I'm gonna go relax. I'm not gonna trade. I'm just gonna have fun. I can't wait. Honestly, I cannot wait. It's hard. It's hard being PW, having to get on here. I was on here last night. I was on here the night before. I'm trading. I'm getting in. I'm getting out. I'm making money. Everybody wants Patrick, tell us what's next. Well, maybe I don't know what's next. But I do know that that was a nice little push either way. So long from the 303s. I got out there at the 44s. It went all the way to the 80s. That's an 80-point pop. 80-point pop there, and they said that I was gambling. Those motherfuckers had the nerve. They had the nerve, chat, to say that I was gambling. It's not gambling if you're always winning. It's called winning. All right? It's called winning. Get it right. Get it tight. Okay? Another bull flag set up here, trying to get back above 350s. Can they go for the 400 push? Can they go for the 400 push here next? A little bit of resistance up there for now. Obviously, we broke out here on the 15-minute chart. Or we got the 15-minute range now set, sorry. 15-minute range is now set. So can we pumpity pumping? Pumpity pumping. There's a little pumpity pumping right up there to the 400s now. She ain't done just yet. She ain't done just yet. The best is yet to come. Yeah, the best is yet to come. It's not worth trading more than 20 minutes with PW. What does that mean? What does that mean? We're making money, baby. What do you want from me? It's still going higher. Bull flag, baby. Bull flag, bull flag. They got to break through the 400s, right? They got to. Broke the 15-minute range now. Can they get all the way up there through the 400s next? Very possible. Very, very possible here. It's very, very possible. We're stuck right there at the 400s now. This is a very, I think if we explode through there, she's going to the moon. They just got to get it going. Holding down there, right below 400 for now. Get above 400. The bulls got plenty of room up there towards 500 next. 500 doable if they can get it moving here.
Little pullback here, 360s again. I think back above 380s, this thing goes through 400s pretty quickly. So let's see what happens. Chopping here for now, but holding above that first 15-minute candle. Well, holding right there at the top of the range for now. We pushed up right into that resistance there at the 400s. Maybe some pullback first. Maybe some pullback here. A little bit of trouble right back down here again off the 400s. Will they dump it all the way back down? Go for the lows down there? NASDAQ back down there 300s. They lose 300s. You know what that means. Trouble. Trouble there. NASDAQ needs to hold 300s here or we're in trouble. Oof. Oof. They're holding for now. 29,300 right back up. Look at that. 40 point pop off the 300s for now. The middle of that 15-minute range. For now. We got a lot of stuff going on here. We got so much stuff going on here. What copy trader I use? I use Trade-of-8. Trade-of-8's my go-to. Both the ES and the NASDAQ looking weak now. Back down, but NASDAQ's just refusing to break 300 for now. You know what that means? Sometimes when the market don't go down, it goes up. So already squeezing back up here now. Already squeezing back up. Look at that. They from the 300s to the 360s. Like I said, that 300 area, very key level here. Look at this pump right off the 300s, back up 70 points. Don't get too excited to get short just yet, my friends. Don't get too excited just yet. Don't get too excited just yet, sir. Chop City here. Hourly chart, you can see big candle back up here. We got a wick right now on the top of this candle, right there into that 400 level. So that's where that big dump started at. So the question is, will they try to get it back above 400s here for that hourly candle to close? Waiting and watching for a good setup here. 5-minute candle, big wick back down. So if they start to waterfall through 300, you might just have to get in there. But we got the VWAP kind of coming up here. We got the EMA coming up here. Nvidia, yeah, Nvidia pulled back hard from the 200. So Nvidia pulled back there, but it might not be done just yet. Nvidia broke out up there to the 200s, right back to 197. And NASDAQ now just kind of holding up here. Like I said, I think above 300, 380 area, 380 gets us moving higher again. So watch that 380 area here. You got to get above it like strong. Yeah, they're definitely trapping somebody. They're trying to trap somebody. Maybe longs. They're trapping everybody right now. Trapping everybody. Trap or die. Good time to be patient either way. We're still inside the 15-minute range here. We're inside that 15-minute range, right? If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, I don't know what the fuck you're doing. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. Trap City. It is very trappy looking. 15-minute candle about to close. We got a doji here. We got a wick back up. We got 700 likes here. We got 4,000 people watching, the most watched live stream. Guys, I want to give a big thank you for all of your support. Everybody who tunes in every morning. It does mean a lot. You know, I'm putting it on for you guys. I've been up all night. I've been up all day. I'm trying to put on the trades for you. So you guys showing up every day, it gets me fired up, right? It gets me excited. We get a bunch of likes, we get a bunch of comments. When you guys are here hanging out with me, I feel like I'm a superhero. I'm a superhero. BDH superhero. I feel like I could do anything, baby. All right. So NASDAQ, ooh, dumping back to the 300s here again, but they yoked it earlier right off that level. So being careful. We got 5 minutes until this hourly candle closes. 5 minutes till the hourly candle close. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for this to close out and then see what happens here. Because if you get short right here and it wicks back up 50 points, like, you know, I'm not trying to do that today. You know, I'm not trying to do that today. Not today, Chad. Not today. Maybe tomorrow, but not today. Let's go. Rick Law, been with me since the beginning. Jimbo, that's my boy. That's my boy. That's my boy. Jimbo. Someone said it's about to push down hard. All right, all in long. Get ready, chat. Everybody get in. Just kidding. We got Rumo in the chat. He said he's short at 345, expecting sharp pull down. Oh, God. Time to get long. Time to get long. PW, would you consider having a man bun? Maybe. I don't think my hair would grow. I don't know. I don't know about a man bun. All right. Well, like I said, NASDAQ is kind of holding up here in this chop zone. 29,300 area, key level. The bears want it below. The bulls want it above. Who can win the battle? It's like the Odyssey, okay? It's like the Odyssey. You know, Helen of Troy, the Trojan horse. Who's gonna win? The bears, they got the Trojan horse. The bulls, they got the fucking, I don't know what the bulls got. PW, do a mullet. I mean, I pretty much have a mullet. It's pretty much a mullet, sir. That's a mullet. That's a mullet, sir. Pumping back up here. Got 2.5 minutes till this candle closes on the hourly. Could get some volatility here to get this pump higher. Let's see. That's a mohawk. Oh. True. PW has a lesbian biker haircut. Hey man, I am what I am, okay? I'm a lesbian. I like women. What can I say? How much did you pay for that trim? I did it myself. Actually, me and Victoria did it. I'm crazy like that. What can I say? I'm crazy like that, sir. Man, they're really gonna hold it here, huh? Just like make us sit there and watch it go nowhere. What does the fair value gap say? Well, we're above the fair value gap for now, so that tells us that it's bullish, right? Isn't that what that means? If you're a lesbian, are you a stud or a regular one? I'm a fucking stud. Are you kidding me? Come on. I'm a stud, sir. Thespian. I'm a thespian. Man, they're pumping it. Will they dumping it? They're gonna go right through that fucking 400 level or what? Look at that. They had to pump it up there that last minute just to get everybody excited. Get everybody excited here. Gotta get everybody excited. Ooh. I took a little longy dongy from the 67 up there through the 85s for now. I think I'm pretty much like, I've hit my payout goal with these Lucid accounts. Let me see. Let me see where we're at. I think we're there. I think we're there. I think we're really fucking close. Oh, buddy boy. Oh, buddy boy. We are there. We are there. So I started these. These are Lucid Pro accounts. I got 5 of these on Monday, right? We passed the evals. You got 1 day to pass. And then look at us now. We made 4,000 on Monday funded. We made 4,000 on Tuesday funded. We made 3,200 on, well, Wednesday funded now. So that means we are ready for a payout, baby. You gotta love it. 3 days of trading. I passed the eval, like I said, on Monday. I bought these accounts on Monday, the 40% off deal. I then traded Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and we can now get a payout. Payout is secured, right? The payouts are secured. There you go. Payout is secured there. So at the end of today, we'll find out if we're rich or not. We're gonna find out if we're rich. So congratulations to myself. I just want to thank myself for getting the payout. 3 days. Hey, that ain't bad. That ain't bad, chat. That ain't bad. That ain't bad. That ain't bad. Oh yeah, by the way, we got a new account. We got a new company coming on board with the BDH. They gave me $1 million. So we added them to the onlyprofirms.com website. That's right, Blue Sky. Blue Sky's been around for a hot minute. They're making a big push again. That's right, Blue Sky back in the game. NASDAQ trying to push through here. Can we go higher? Can we go higher? Possibly. Yeah, they gave me $1 million to give them a shout out on the YouTube. So, shout out to Blue Sky. I needed that $1 million to pay for my new Lamborghini. Do you still hate AI? Oh yeah, I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate the AI. The great thing is the code PW gets you 50% off Blue Sky right now. Right, you can check out Blue Sky's website here. 50% off for the launch account. $99. Or I think what? It's $59 plus $99. The Propel account is no activation fee. So the 50K is $112 there on Blue Sky. So we'll see what happens. Right now, NASDAQ is kind of chopping around here, man. She's just chopping around there. Going nowhere quickly. Must be nice to be born on the 28th. You just make money so easily. Well, you know, what can I say? What can I say? What can I say, chat? What can I say? I'm just good like that.
I'm just good like that. I'm just good like that. I got some new Blue Sky accounts I'm gonna load up here in a second. Give me a moment. I gotta log into my new accounts. PW, are you expecting me moved to live on Lucid? I hope not. I sure do hope not. No, they probably will, yeah. At some point. Probably not. I don't know. I'm a terrible trader, so I'm not that worried about it. If they move me, it is what it is. You know, it kind of is what it is, man. Why did this whole password thing, man? Like, how we got to get over the password stuff. I want to just get rid of the passport. The passwords. No more passwords. Too much work with the passwords. You know what I mean? It's too much work. Well, no more passwords. The market right now going absolutely nowhere, chat. So I would say this is a great time to just relax, right? Just relax. There's not really much to do here. We're chopping inside of that range. It's not what we want to see. If you're a momentum day trader, you don't want to see the market going absolutely nowhere. So just be patient. We got FOMC minutes later on, but I don't think that's going to be that's just the minutes. It's not actually FOMC, so. Just the minutes. All right, I got into my Blue Sky account here. We've got the launch accounts. For anybody who has never set up the copy trader, I'll show you how to do it right here, right now. So on Tradeovate, right? On Tradeovate, you go right here to the top. You click on, well, let's say your account's up there, right? You click on that. You got your 5 accounts. You go manage. You go right here. Let's say Denny is gay. My favorite name for a group. You just go ahead and you pull that over. You go 1, 2, 3, 5. You like that? I count 3 to 5. Then you press save, right? Account has been successfully saved. So this is how you copy trade on Tradeovate. It's saved. It's good. It's ready. So you go back up here. You click on that. You have your accounts. Well, I want to group my accounts together, right? So we're going to group our accounts together. And now we can trade 5 contracts per account, right? Bang, bang, bang. It is now set up. It is ready for work. That is exactly how you set up the copy trading on Tradeovate. Thank you very much. All right, well, we just locked in this payouts with Lucid. I showed you guys we are officially locked in. Those payouts are eligible. We hit our consistency goal, the 40% consistency goal. We traded these accounts. We started trading these accounts on Monday. We made $4,000 on Monday. We made $4,000 on Tuesday. We made $3,000 today. That puts us at $11,000 total profit. And here we are. The Lucid Pro accounts, right? Lucid Pro accounts right now, there's no daily loss limit. 40% off the Pro accounts. And use that code PW. NASDAQ, again, right back down, just stuck here below the 400s. And just cannot get above there for now. So people keep asking me, do I expect that it's going to dump here? Well, I mean, it hasn't dumped yet. So, you know. Got to see what happens. But I'm pretty happy with that. I'll take $11,000. Like I said, I bought these accounts on Monday. They had that 40% off deal. I bought 5 accounts. I then traded the 5 accounts Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Obviously, the nice thing about the Pro account, the reason that I really like the Pro account with Lucid right now is because they have the 1-day pass. So you can pass the eval and you can start trading
this very same day. Lucid has their dashboard set up so you can activate the account literally instantly as soon as you pass it. So shout out to Lucid helping us gamblers make a little bit of money sometimes. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of money in my life. I just want to party all night. Everybody party night. All right, well, yeah. We're going nowhere. So when you go for a payout, is it combined from all the accounts? Well, you get a payout from each account. You get a payout from each account. Did I fire D-Money? No, we did not fire D-Money. We love D-Money. Just because D-Money blew it in the tournament does not mean that he blew it in the tournament, all right? Just because he blew it in the tournament does not mean that he blew it in the tournament. All right? So all the people in the chat who always say that D-Money's a better day trader than me, I guess, you know, I guess we don't have to have that conversation anymore. You know, I guess we really don't have to have I guess we don't have to have that conversation anymore, chat. You know, I guess we don't have to have that conversation anymore. All right, well, we got the leaderboard here. We got the leaderboard. Who we got on top? We got Dung Do. We got Uncle Bugatti. We got Matt Kors. All right. We got some people making some moves. We got Jesus. Clearly, Jesus is having some trouble today because Jesus is down $10,000. Kellyanne down $2,000. Mighty Ox. This is the guy that D-Money lost to. And now he's going to watch him lose the next round. Come on, D-Money. What are you doing, D-Money? What are you doing? Ike has took one trade, looks like, so far. But right now, hey, guess what? If I was trading in the tournament, right? If Patrick Wieland was trading in the tournament right now, well, guess what? I'd be winning. Okay, let's be honest. I'd be fucking winning, boys. And I would be winning big. I'd be so fucking big that it would blow your goddamn minds. It would blow your goddamn minds. I mean, because look, think about it, right? I made 4,000 in these Take Profit Trader accounts, and then I made 3,000 in these Lucid accounts. Sometimes I really wonder. I really wonder. Why am I so goddamn good looking? You guys ever wonder that? You ever just look in the mirror and think to yourself, why am I so good looking? I don't know. I truly don't know. Matt Kors doesn't think that you make money. I mean, that doesn't bother me. You people always be like, all these people that in the chat who are always like, Patrick, so and so says that you don't make money. Well, I guess everything that I have is just, it's all fake, and I don't make any money. I don't fucking know. You know, hey, whatever. Haters gonna hate, players gonna play. The argument that people love to make that I don't make any money, that it's just like, it's null and void. The argument's over. There's no reason to have an argument anymore. We all know that I make money. I do it live, right? I do it live with you guys. We do it every fucking day. I've got a 350,000. That's one payout. I've got millions of over $1 million in payouts. All right, don't you worry about me. Right now, Nasdaq pulling back here into the VWAP. Obviously, we're still inside the 15-minute range, so we got to be aware. Would I get short right here? Probably not. I would be patient to see kind of what happens from there. So. You rent everything for the streams. I mean, hey man, I can't help it that it's more tax efficient to rent than it is to own. You know, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that the USA tax code makes it so that renting and leasing is more tax efficient than owning. I don't I don't make the rules. I just follow the rules, okay? You know, people always be trying to hate, but I can't help it. I just do what the tax man tells me to do. Okay? Haters gonna hate, players gonna play. All right, there's that bounce right off the VWAP. That's why I said we got to be careful about getting short down there, because look at that. Right back up. So be careful. Be careful, my friends. Don't go chasing waterfalls. If you know what I mean. Yeah, don't do it. Do you have any beginner videos? Bro, there's a million videos on this channel, chat. There's a million videos on this channel. Do I still trade with Apex? To be honest, I don't have any accounts right now open with Apex, but I've gotten over $1 million in payouts from Apex, so I've definitely done it. I've definitely done it. Yeah, starting to move down here. We'll see what happens. I think now, if I'm looking for a setup, basically what I would want to see happen is we break to the downside here, we push back up, we get stuck, and then we go lower. The problem with shorting right here at this point is, well, what happens if it V's straight back up? So you got to kind of be patient and let this kind of play out a little bit better. It is below the VWAP here. I'm just a little hesitant. Got the bottom of that 15-minute range candle. There is no wick on that first candle kind of out of the open, so maybe we retest it. I just want to be patient. We're at that spot where it looks like a good short. I get it. So how did you develop your patience in the market? I'll tell you exactly how I developed it. Getting fucking raped over and over. Basically. Honestly, that's like the truth. I'm not even lying. If you get raped enough times, maybe you'll stop doing something. And the NASDAQ has raped me more times than I want to admit. So, you know, I'm trying to avoid that. Trying to avoid that. I tried to avoid that, okay. Well, this is what I wanted to see. This is why I did not get short down there, chat. Look at that pump Almost 100 points right back up. I know it looked really, really good. Everybody wanted to get short, but look at that pump now. Look at that pump now, right back up. So honestly, that to me is very bullish, right? The fact that we pulled all the way back down there and then pumped straight up out of it. That's telling me that there's obviously some bullish momentum here. We just got to be patient. Doesn't mean I'm going to get long. Doesn't mean I'm going to get short. I'm just kind of waiting to see what happens. Because it all kind of goes back to what we talked about earlier, right? The daily candle. The daily candle swiped all these lows down here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know, all those lows that were down here. We swiped that already. Whereas, let's say the market opened this morning and we were sitting at this area, like we are up here, but we didn't take out those lows yet. Well, then I'd be a lot more bearish to the idea that we're going to take out these lows. But since we already took out these lows, I'm just a little worried, right? Maybe it's going to chop. Maybe it will keep going lower, but right now, just got to be patient. We did push back up 300, got denied, right back down. So, yeah, chop city here for now. Chop city for now. 15-minute candle looking a little indecisive. We got a wick on that last one. Wick here. 2 wicks kind of made it up there. Somebody in the chat said it's almost untradeable. Yeah, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. Almost untradeable. How many accounts do you think you've blown before getting a payout? I don't know. To be honest, when I first started trading with prop firms, I started trading with Top Step back in the day when they first like kind of came out. And honestly, it was, I felt like I did pretty good right off the bat. When I first started trading futures, I did decently well. I got put into a live account pretty quickly, but obviously blew it all after that. But 29,300, just kind of that key level here, bouncing around. You know, there's that little push again. So let's see what happens. Again, the bulls stepping up. Both the ES and the NASDAQ ripping back up here now. So I think, honestly, you got to be long. Or you got to be looking for a long entry now. Are you trading funded accounts? Yes, sir. We're trading funded accounts. Doing a little mixture of everything here. My Lucid accounts today were up $3,000 times 5 accounts. We just locked in a huge payout, like a $20,000 payout with Lucid. Oh my God, look at this pump right now. Did I not tell you guys to be careful down there? No one listened to me. Nobody listened to me. Up there to the 360s now. Or maybe you did listen to me. But this is exactly why I did not get short down here, chat. All right, that's why. Don't go chasing the waterfalls. $400. Can we get there now, or just get stuck here and chop some more? Anything's possible, right? Kind of a little bit of a bull flag kind of setting up here on the 1-minute chart. I still think like back above 380s should take us higher, right? Go to the 1 minute chart, you can see the bull flag kind of setting up there now. So basically, like breaking back above the 370s here could try to get us up there towards 400s or more. Just has to go, go, go. Basically just waiting for this breakout through this previous candle high, like 370 area now, for a long setup. Straight back down, so another reason that you don't just jump into a trade either, right? You can kind of be patient. Pushed all the way up there to the top, got stuck, pulled back here again. You gotta love it. Is there a season that you prefer trading? I'd say probably going into the end of the year is normally the best price action. But I don't know. I don't really think about it, to be honest. There's a lot of people out there who think about it a lot more than I do, but I don't really think about it. Kind of just is what it is. And oh my God, NASDAQ, what are you doing here? NASDAQ really just stuck here now. La, 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 la. All right, like I said, kind of watching for a long setup here above. I want to see us like at this point, like basically break above 360s, and then maybe there's a long setup. I mean, I know that we got stuck there multiple times at those highs, so gonna be a little cautious, but if it starts to pump, it should pump out of here, in theory. Just got to get through there. There's 360s trying to get tested. Did not break out though. All right, I'm still waiting for that 360 breakout if it happens. Right now, just kind of waiting. It's not happening right now. Getting really tight here either way. Getting real tight either way. So like I said, basically right above 360 is where I'm looking to get long. Right now, I just got stuck right below there. So not going to get in yet. And yeah, more pullback chop here. So no reason to get long there yet. Straight back down. God damn. Look at that dump. I don't really know what you do there. You just got to chop it up. Chop, chop city there. Right back to the VWAP, back to 300s. Still just stuck here, going nowhere. This is what I'm looking for. Some kind of good breakout here. Big bull flag? Possibly. Possibly. Just stuck here. If we get back, if we get above the 25, maybe like back, if we wick down here one more time and then push back up there, maybe a long. I'm gonna take a long back above 320s here now, depending on how this candle closes. That's only if we like pop back up here. But if we don't pop back up here, then no trade. Just stuck. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Yeah, I mean, I think the setup is here. Just kind of see if the market's gonna make up its mind. Trump is speaking, that's why. Yeah, possibly. Well, the market is stuck going nowhere today. Since 9:30, 10 o'clock. Well, since 9:30 till 10:30, we have been stuck here. So I'm trying along basically right above these highs of these candles. Oil is going parabolic. Uh-oh. We should have an update on the Legends tournament here at 11 o'clock. So we got about 30 minutes till the next update. Right now, the NASDAQ is kind of holding up here. I think I'm going to try a long here very soon. If it gets through there. Just waiting. Just waiting for now. Asia and London is better than New York. Yeah, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. This is no bueno. No bueno. Right now, holding up there at the VWAP though, but just can't get back above these candle highs for now. Looks like it might pop here. I'm looking for a long if we start to push back up here. But until we basically like break out through these candles, I'm not taking a long. This is kind of like my, maybe the play. Okay. So yeah, we're just stuck holding up there. Yeah, it might be a short setup if we start to sell down. Yeah, I get it. I mean, I see both ideas. We're right here in the middle of the range. Really not much you can do. It's either a long or a short at this point. We've rejected multiple times the upside, but you know how that goes. Sometimes all that rejection just turns into the pop. All that rejection just turns into the poppity pop. Back down again. Chopping here, so. Little push here again. I like this little push, but if we break 320, I'm gonna try a long here. We got to get above 320 right there for a long. All right, we're long. Stop is below 300. See if we can get this momentum to the upside. Very choppy area, so it's either gonna go like straight to our target or it's just gonna dump. So let's see what happens. That was 10 points either way, so W's in the chat. Okay, W's in the chat. Nope. Wow. And just right back down again. Such is life. Still got 3 contracts somehow. They didn't get me all the way. Just a little bit of the way. All right, we're stopped out there. Clearly did not work for now, so. For now. Back down to the VWAP now, so there you go. There you go. Man. Clearly that was a short setup. Crazy work. All right, let's see what happens here. If we start to dump through, we're right there at the VWAP now. So, right there at the bottom of that range again. A lot of momentum coming in here. Did we try the short? Try to get this move down. We just tried the long, got clapped. Should we try the short and get clapped as well? And look at that. We're right back up again. You gotta love it. You gotta fucking love it, man. You gotta love it. I'm trying a long here. I don't know. Let's see what happens. We're right here in the middle, so it's either going to go up or down. I mean, there's literally nothing else to really say. Not really much else to think about here. Back down there, 280s again. 260s again. Yep. Oh yeah, it's a chop. It's a chop. It's the chop fest. Oh my lord, right back down again. Can we get a bounce, NASDAQ? Can you bounce for me, baby girl? Just bounce it right here. Right here, NASDAQ. Right back up. Right back up here. Right back up. Oh, my lord. No bounce. No bounce. Literally no bounce. No bounce for me, huh? It's a bounce. It went up. Don't worry, it went up. W's in the chat. All right, I'm trying this short now because I think we're gonna break to the downside after that debacle that we were just in. Be looking for like 200s maybe. Hellrel Trade says that dude gambles and loses but hits home runs every once in a while. I mean, hey, it is what it is, my friend. Haters are gonna hate, players are gonna play. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, keeping this stream going. Without your views, I would be nothing. This dude just goes from buys to sells like nothing. Yeah, welcome to trading, bro. Welcome to motherfucking trading, bro. You get long, you get short. It don't matter. It's up, it's down, it's all around. It's fugazi, it's fugazi. Okay? Right here at these lows, holding up for now, so you gotta love it. Straight back up, 280s. I'm gonna jump out if we start to get back above 280 again, but I'll leave this for now. Show my P&L. Look at my P&L. Oh my God, I'm so red on the day. I've lost everything. I'm never gonna make it back. I'm never gonna make it back. I'm never gonna make it back. That's 20 points. Going down here for the bottom, the opening range low, I think I'm going to move this target down to like 150 area is what I think I would hold it for. Let's put my stop at like break even there now. Oh my God. Come straight back up. Nah, fuck you. I'm gonna move this back up. Not today, NASDAQ. Not today. I'm gonna add. We're adding to the short. We're gonna add. Stop Loss Survivor said, I just wonder how the bad comments don't affect PW. Oh, they don't affect me because I'm a millionaire. And when you're a millionaire, the opinions of peasants mean nothing. Because at the end of the day, I am rich and they are poor. So I make the money and they get to watch me and then hate me for it. But that's all it is. All right, we re-shorted there at the 250s. Can we get a fucking move down here finally? Market's trying to act like John Wick right now. I hope not. I hope not, sir. I do hope not. I do hope not. C96 says, without these peasants, you will never be where you are. Oh, no, don't worry, you peasant. I was always going to be rich, with or without you. Thank you for your support, though. You think that your insignificant life matters to my life. It doesn't. It doesn't. You're dust in the wind. I'm the goddamn fucking earth. I'm the goddamn world, baby. I was always going to be who I am. It was destiny. It was always destiny. There was never a doubt in my mind that I was going to be the biggest and the largest. You rely on peasants using the code PW. Well, honestly, I'd say most of my followers are not peasants because they have money and they use the code PW. Okay, but here's the thing, right? With or without me, the same people who are gonna lose money without me are gonna lose money with me, or without me, or you know what I mean? Within, without. If you are inside, you are outside. Someone said trail it. Nah, man, I'm going for a home run trade. I want 100 points. I want 100 points. Everybody wants to be like me. I don't know. I think at the end of the day, the funniest part is there's not one hater. There's not one person on this fucking entire planet that would not trade bank accounts with me, right? And that's a fact. The simple fact is, even my biggest hater in this entire planet would trade bank accounts with me, you know? So I think that right there, that speaks a lot, right? It speaks a lot to the fact that, like, hey, I'm doing something right. I'm doing something right, you know? They want to hate, but they just can't love. If they just loved me, they would make money. But instead, They rather hate on me. So, you know, it's pure math. If you just love PW, you'll make money. Who's my biggest hater? I don't know. I don't keep track. I just know he's out there. I live in this world where I just pretend that there's a billion people that hate me. Right? There's a million haters out there and they all just hate me and they think about me every minute of the day. So that way I'm always thinking to myself, I'm like, well, if you know, what are my haters doing right now? What am I doing? What are my haters doing? I need to be getting better. I need to be working harder. I need to be going longer, stronger, harder, faster, all that, you know. It motivates me. It fires me up. It makes me a little bit hard. Not fully hard, a little bit hard. Like, you know, 50-50 hard. Like you're kind of hard, but you're kind of soft. That's how it makes me feel. The more that I think about all the haters, the more, you know, sometimes I get fully hard thinking about the haters, but most of the time it's like half and half. So like a 50-50 boner. That's kind of gay. It ain't gay. That's how you become a millionaire. Someone said it's gay. It's only gay if you come, bro. It's only gay if you come. Okay? It is only gay if you come. Everyone in the chat said that I should trail my stop. Guys, you have to relax. You gotta let the fucking king do king shit. You gotta let the lion eat, right? You gotta let the lion eat. I'm telling you, this 150 area is gonna get tapped. It's gonna get tapped. I'm looking at this order block right here. It's fucking, ICT called me. He told me order block is gonna get tapped. 150, it's guaranteed. It's fucking guaranteed. Hey, can I ask you guys a question, an honest question in the chat right now? Can I ask you guys an honest question? Are you not fucking entertained? Are you not fucking tained right now? I wonder, you know, are you guys not fucking entertained? That's 100 points, by the way. That's 100 fucking points. You fucking pussy ass motherfuckers. Where are my haters at now? Where are the guy who said all he does is gamble? He's just a gambler. Motherfucker. That was 100 points. That was 100 points right there. That was 100 points. All right, that was 100. We'll go ahead and count that. We'll count that. That's 100. That's 100. Now it's gonna rip all the way back up. Fuck! Deadlift said that you lost 25,000. I didn't lose 25,000. What are you talking about? Where did I lose 25,000 at? What are you talking about? What are you talking about, idiot? Your trade was in the red. Oh my God. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to turn the stream off now because somebody said my trade went in the red and you know, that's not allowed. You can't have red trades. Oh my God. Look at this motherfucking bullshit. The sell side liquidity. Why did I not take profit at the sell side liquidity down there? Nasdaq's gonna come straight back up now. You gotta love it. You have got to love it sometimes. You have got to love it. You have got to love it sometimes. You gotta love it sometimes, chat. All the way back up there again. It's painful. Oh my God. Right off the lows. Right off the lows. I'm gonna add to this short here. I'm gonna short back up to towards the VWAP here. Just keep adding. What about the fair value gap? I don't know, man. What about it? Boo-doo-doo. Oh my God. Never mind. Just pump straight back up now. Trump's talking. God damn it, Trump. God damn it. All right. We're stopped out there. Gotta love it. You gotta love it sometimes. It's comedy, okay? It's fucking comedy sometimes, chat. It's fucking comedy. What's my favorite ICT concept? Well, clearly the fucking sell side liquidity, because that's exactly where I fucking should have taken profit at for 100 points. I like how there's a guy in the chat who's calling me a loser. I love that. I do love that. Because, I mean, you're watching me, idiot. You're literally just fishing. Everybody relax. I like, what do you... I am not your bitch. You know, I'm not your bitch. So you don't tell me what you told me. You don't tell me shit. God, these motherfuckers, they act like I'm their bitch. Patrick, I told you. Why'd you not listen to me, Patrick? Why'd you not listen to me, Patrick? Patrick, I told you. Patrick, I told you. Patrick, why do you not listen to me? Every day I tell you exactly when to buy and sell, but you never listen to me. I'm upset, Patrick. Patrick, why do you not listen to me? Patrick, listen to me. I tell you exactly when to buy and sell. Why do you not listen to me, Patrick? Patrick, why are you not listening to me? Patrick, why are you not listening to me? Patrick, I've been telling you this whole time when to buy and when to sell. Shut the fuck up. God. Most annoying motherfuckers on this planet. In this chat, I'm telling you. I've never seen more annoying people. Patrick, I tell you exactly when to buy. Shut the fuck up. God. Insanity. Blows my fucking mind. I'm not actually mad, I'm just kidding. All right, is NASDAQ gonna pump all the way back up now or what? Just try some longs here for fun? I don't know. Turn on the danger music here. We're going into the hourly candle close. Turn on some danger music. Let's get dangerous, chat. Let's get dangerous. Let's get dangerous. Trying to get dangerous here. Trying to get dangerous. All I see is green. Green, green, green. Green, 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 green. Green, green, green. Dangerous. He's dangerous, people. Make the Christmas trees. You gotta make them bigger. Make them bigger. We got 25 contracts. Everything's fine. Trump's talking. Market's dumping. It's okay. Everything's gonna be okay. Oh God, that's not good. Oh God, that's not good either. I can't even see the candlesticks because the fucking blue triangles are on the chart. Who did this? Who did this? Who did this? I think something's wrong with my candlesticks. I can't even see the candlesticks anymore. Guys, we got a problem here. Guys, we got a problem here. I don't know what's going on, but there's something happening here. There are too many triangles on the candles. Can somebody take those candles off? We gotta take those. I can't even see what's happening. I don't even know what's going on. Can't even see the candlestick anymore. Is it going up or is it going down? I'm blind. I'm blind because the candlestick. It goes up, it goes down. Oh my Lord, what is happening? It's not good. Something is not good here. It is going up, it's going down. Oh my Lord, right back down again. Right back down again. Right back down again. We got to go for 100 contracts, 75 contracts here. We got to get a pump here. We got to get a pump or we're dead. We're dead in the water like fish fillet. Oh, that's not good. That is not good. That is right back down again, chat. This is not good. The only chance of saving this now is to go short, 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 shorts. Short, short, shorts. We need a lot of shorts here. Oh God, that's not good. That is not good. This is not good for business. Oh, we're out. Oh my life. This is not good. It just chopped me the fuck out of there, chat. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened, chat. I don't know what happened. It is not good. That is not good. That is not good. That is not good. Well, that sucks. No pop, no drops. Just choppity chop. You got 100 points up, 100 points right back down again. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. You gotta love it, chat. You gotta love it sometimes. You just gotta love it. That's all you can do is just love it. You know, I just like to love it sometimes. Oh, it's painful, but it is what it is. Sometimes up, sometimes down. So, no good. No bueno. No bueno. It's the music, man. The music. It's the music, man. Hey, I just want to give all the haters in the chat something to talk about. Make sure you post about this on Twitter. Make sure you tell everybody that he went on tilt. He blew up his account live on YouTube. I don't know what happened. Guys, he blew up his account live on YouTube. I don't know what he was doing. I don't know what happened. But make sure when you talk about me, make sure you talk about me, okay? Don't worry, chat. It's all good. Everything's fine. Everything's okay. I have free money. It's free money. It's free money, chat. Don't worry. It's all free. I just made $1 million right here. Yeah, we went to the danger zone. We found out. We found out at the danger zone, chat. It was not good. Danger zone, no bueno. No bueno at the danger zone. But don't you worry, I got a plan. I got a plan here, chat. I think we're gonna make a comeback here. Don't you worry, because everything's gonna be okay. I went and I pressed this button. It's called the reset button. Everything's fine now. Nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about here. We got nothing to worry about, right? There's nothing to worry about. You just press the reset, you start over, you do it fresh. All right, all right. Back below 200s here again. I think it's a short. I think it's a short, chat. I do think it's a short now. Do I recommend prop firms over live accounts? I mean, yeah, I would probably better to trade a prop firm account than a live account. Probably. You know, just saying. All right, we're back in, baby. Like we never left. Don't you worry. We got to make $100,000 now. Is your strategy scriptable? No. There's no script. You cannot write a script based on my strategy, sir. We're retards, okay? What are you talking about? It's called the retard strategy. What are you talking about? Well, how are you gonna code it? The code can't ever be retarded enough. Let's see AI do this. Exactly. AI cannot even comprehend what we're doing right now. The AI cannot comprehend this genius that is in front of you. Chop it, man. Right back up again. It was a bear flag. It was definitely a bear flag here. Definitely a bear flag here, but no bueno. Right back up again. no sell-through. If we lose this 200 level, I would say we'd probably move down here, but who knows? Anything's possible. God damn it. This chop. No, the accounts earlier, those were prop firm accounts or evals. We did not blow any funded accounts there. Oh my God, come on. Can we make a new low here? Just holding up there at the 90s. Being retarded right now. Oh my Lord. What is happening? Right back up again. All right, we got to go in long here because it's going to pop up. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Or just stuck here. Oh my God, stuck here again. God damn it, NASDAQ. Why do you do this? Why does it do that to me? Why does the NASDAQ do that to me, chat? Why does it do that to me? Why does it do that to me? Why does it do that to me? God motherfucking damn it! Right back down again. Can't make this stuff up. Can't make this stuff up. Zoom out. What do you want me to zoom out for? It's just going nowhere. What do you want me to do? The people in the chat, they're like, zoom out. You zoom out, idiot. What do you... it's just going nowhere. It's fucking going nowhere. We were short, it went up. We went long, it went down. It's going nowhere. God. It just stuck. It just stuck. Goes nowhere, man. Just chopping. Just chopping, man. It keeps chopping here. Oh my God. Why does it not just go down? Why does it not just go down? God, again, just another chop. More chop. More chop. For everybody who's talking about my reset day, don't worry. We're up in the Lucid accounts, okay? We made money today. We're getting a payout here. The payouts are ready. 11 down. The payouts are ready for me. All right, don't you worry, little buddies. Right now, NASDAQ is holding out there at 29,200 level. Just cannot get below 200. Stuck for now. Again, back down. You gotta love it. I'm looking for new fucking lows or something. I don't fucking know, man. Need more views on the stream, though. I think we got to get more views somehow. How do we get more views on this stream? I need to get the haters to come back. Come back, little buddies. Come back. Come back for me. This gotta be the worst price action I've seen in a minute. FOMC is not today, guys. It's FOMC minutes. There is not an FOMC meeting today. It's FOMC minutes. Relax. FOMC minutes today, not meeting. Oh my God. Crazy work right now. Crazy work. It's crazy work. Crazy work. Can we make a new low here? Right back up again. Wow. 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 What a joke. 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 Oh, by the way, we just added the code PW to Blue Sky. Blue Sky prop firm. We added the PW effect. We got the deals going right now. 50% off the launch plans at Blue Sky Trading. I think it's Blue Sky Trading, right? How much did Blue Sky pay me? $1 million. Blue Sky paid me $1 million. It's only $1 million to get your logo on the BDH live stream. BDH live stream. All right, we're going for 100 points, baby. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck, chat. It's either 100 points or nothing. I don't give a fuck. God, it's going right back up. Fuck. Why does it always happen to me? We got an update here on the Legends tournament. Let's see who's in the lead. Who's in the lead? Oh, fuck. Trader Yush. Uh-oh. Trader Yush was in here the other day talking a bunch of shit. Now he's up. Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh, chat. That means I'm gonna have to beat him. I'm gonna have to beat him live on YouTube. Matt Core's dropping down as well. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Something's happening here. Something's happening. Gotta show you can hang with D-Money with the 100-point trade. Motherfucker, I've had more 100-point trades than D-Money's ever had in his life. The fuck you talking about? I gotta show that I can hang with D-Money. I think everybody's still forgetting that it's called the BDH, Patrick Wieland. It ain't fucking the D-Money house. He works for me, you fucking retards. He works for me. Silverskin just said D-Money PW. Okay, Silverskin. Have fun in the VIP room, you fucking faggot. Everyone's just getting banned for life up in here. Now you can't even talk to B-Money. You can't even talk to D-Money, you fucking idiots. You can't even talk to him now. Gotcha, bitch. Is it still going lower? Is this good or is this bad? Guys, I cannot stop until we drop, okay? I'm holding until the overnight low now. 28,940s. I don't even care. It's got to go there. It's just got to. There's my target. I'm going to bed now. See y'all later. La 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 la. La 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 la. Are you sure you know how to trade? No, this is my first time. This is my first time ever trading before. What? How do you trade? How do you make the money? How do you make the money trading? I don't know. Oh no, it's going back up now. You can see kind of a little bit of a bounce going here off this 100 level. We'll see what happens, but
Michael Huddleston's burner. PW learn from me. I didn't learn from you, you dumb motherfucker. What you talking about? What you talking about? All right, we're gonna settle this once and for all. When I get back from Hawaii, me and D Money are gonna trade head to head for a week, 5 days, and whoever wins is the better trader. All right, that's what we're gonna do, and that way the chat can't ever say nothing. So the grand prize of the tournament is either D Money gets to keep his G-Wagon or I get to take it. So either way, you know what I mean? Either he gets to keep the G-Wagon or I get to take it back. Because to be honest, I kind of need a G-Wagon right now. I could use a G-Wagon in California. So I'm going to be like, hey, D-Buddy, look, we're putting the G-Wagon on. We're playing for pinks, baby. We're playing for pinks. So y'all going to get D-Money to lose his G-Wagon now. Chat wanted D-Money to lose his G-Wagon. He's going to lose it now. Because there ain't no way in hell that D-Money is going to beat me trading. Like, it's 0 chance. It's going to be like taking money from a baby. It's going to be like taking candy from a baby. Like D-Money's the baby and I'm the candy. So, what? Probably like 1 or 2. I got to be that thing at 9:10. For the blood thing at 9:10. Oh god. Use a 50K account for the tournament? Nah, man. We playing big leagues. 150K account, 10 contracts, all in all the time. Who can make the most money, me or D Money? He trades very carefully. People like that. I mean, whatever. $25K account with micro. Why is that better? You guys, everybody says that D Money is a better day trader, so why should we trade with micros? Let's trade big boy. Let's trade the big boy. Let's trade the big boy accounts. Don't be a pussy. Come on now, don't be a pussy. How are you gonna hate on your own co-host? I'm not hating. I'm just saying it's time for a showdown. I'm not hating. I love D-Money, but it's time for a showdown. Right? We need to have a showdown so that everybody can just stop arguing and talking about how D-Money is better than me. Because we need to have a showdown. That's what I'm saying. It's time for a showdown, baby. Y'all gonna get D-Money, y'all getting D-Money in trouble. Chat's gonna get D-Money in trouble here. Sometimes there needs to be bloodshed in the kingdom. Sometimes the fucking king needs to show the peasants
why he's the king, right? There needs to be some blood on the field. We got to put some blood. There needs to be some blood. We need to put some blood out there. All right. And I don't want to hear no excuses from the chat. Chat better not have no excuses. Y'all better not have no excuses when D-Money loses. Don't be like, oh, Patrick, it's not fair because you trade bigger. Oh, Patrick, it's not fair because you trade. Nope. Zero excuses. I don't want to hear no fucking excuses. No fucking excuses. I don't want to hear no fucking excuses. I don't want to hear it. I do not want to hear it. Someone said, why do I even care? If my homie was better than me, then hell yeah. As long as everyone's making money. My homie ain't better than me. I know I'm better. I already know I'm better. What are you talking about? My homie? Homie not better. That's the problem. Homie is not better. By the way, you know, me and D-Money, we good. We just playing. We just having a little bit of fun. That's all. We just having a little bit of fun. Your ego sucks. I mean, hey man, you can hate me, but you can't deny me. You can hate me, but you can't deny me. All right. Someone said D-Money he's not allowed to be better. I mean, hey, like I said, I got no problem. If D-Money beats me fair and square over a 5-day period, I got no problem with that. That won't hurt. I'll be okay. Honestly, I'll be like, props to you, right? Props to you. But I think we need to get it over with. We need to get it over with. It's time for a duel. It's time to get it over with, you know? The chat wants it. The chat's gonna get it. It's gonna be humiliating. You know, D-Money might cry, but you know, it's gotta be done. It has got to be done. The world needs to see that it's gonna be done. And I will spank that ass. Just like I did with ping pong. Remember when we played ping pong? Y'all remember ping pong? Little ping pong? Ping pong, ping pong? Do you remember the ping pong? Yeah. Yes. You know, do you remember ping pong? Yeah, it's gonna be a bloodbath. It's gonna be a bloodbath. It's gonna be an absolute bloodbath. D-Money might have to get a new job afterwards because he's gonna be so embarrassed. D-Money gonna have to be embarrassed. He's gonna have to get a new job. I'm just playing. I do like this idea. I mean, if we're going to continue lower, going for that overnight low down there, 28,900 area, I don't think it's too crazy of an idea, to be honest. We got hourly candle looking pretty heavy right now down here at the lows. 15-minute candles looking pretty good to the downside here. Maybe some more pushback up here before going lower again. 5-minute chart's kind of signaling the maybe a little push, or not, or just straight down. We're right below that pivot point. There's a pivot point right there, 29,076s. If we lose this, I mean, it's going down. Oh, seller pressure is coming in there hard again. Is ICT your mentor? No, he's my dad. I'm actually his son. I don't want to tell anybody, but the truth is out. The truth is out there now. Everybody can now know that ICT is my dad. I know everything about the inner circle trader. Like I said last night, the reason that the inner circle trader can't trade is because the government made a law. It's called insider trader, right? It's called inside trading information. So when you think about it, the inner circle trader, he's an insider because he's inside the circle. So he's not allowed to trade because it's called insider trading. So he can make $1 billion, but he's not allowed to because the government said that he knows the algorithm and he's an insider. He's inside the circle. Let me draw it out really quickly. Let me draw this out really quick, just so you guys can really kind of understand what's going on here, right? So basically, there's a circle, right? That's the circle, right? And ICT, he's inside the circle, right? He don't have any hairs, but I'll give him that, right? He's inside the circle here. So this is the circle, right? The government, the USA, and everybody, Pelosi, they're in the circle too, right? This is Pelosi, and that's ICT right here. See, this is ICT. He's inside the circle, right? So insider circle, he can't take a trade because outside the circle is a bigger circle. That bigger circle makes it so that he can't trade outside the circle because it becomes the sun, right? So the sun is the circle. And when you think about it, the moon is also a circle. So there's the moon and then there's the sun. But ICT is inside the sun. But he could also maybe be on the moon. You know? Maybe he's on the moon too. Because the aliens, they found him. And then one time, the market makers, they come to his house. They're in a van, right? The van is a box, right? People don't understand that the circle, the van has two circles. Those are the tires, right? There's tires, and then there's this. So this is the aliens, right? And this is ICT. He's at his house, and you know the aliens, they come for him, and he runs away, and the aliens say, "No, you must come with us to get inside the circle." And see what happened next is they put him in the circle, right? It's the weirdest thing, right? Here's ICT. It's hard. I gotta draw it like this. So he goes like this. He's bent over, right? Because you know the circle. This is the table, right? Maybe he's a little longer like this. Okay, this is the table, right? There's a table. The aliens, they got him on a table, and this is his. You know, arms are here, obviously. And then, so the aliens, you know, they look like this. They're long. They look like sperm, basically. The aliens are sperm creatures. So the aliens, they have a probe, right? The aliens, they have a probe, and the probe, it looks like this. It's got like a, it looks like this from the alien. So basically, the aliens, they probed ICT, and they made a circle. Because if you think about it, once they probe him, there's a circle. That's his butthole, right? The butthole is like that. The anal probe goes into the hole. So there's a circle inside the circle. This all makes sense. This all makes sense when you really think about it. All right, this all just makes sense. Basically, aliens, inner circle trader. It's pretty much, this is ICT. And that's my strategy. Basically, that's my strategy. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my breakdown there, my mentorship. But basically, yeah, it's ICT. You know? Oh, man. All right, we got stopped out there. Clearly, we're not in the circle. We got to get back in the circle, chat. God damn it. We got stopped out for 100 points there from that short. All good. We locked in our Lucid accounts. We're up. These Lucid funded accounts, these are the pro accounts. We locked in those accounts, so we've got a payout confirmed. The payout is ready. Look at my payout. My payout. Consistency goal, 36%. Ready for a payout here with the Lucid accounts. And you can see here, Monday we passed the accounts. We passed the eval on Monday. Tuesday we came back. We got it hot. Thursday, today we made 3,000. And we're locking it in. So I'm happy to lock in a nice little payout there. And oh my God, what the fuck is on my chart right now? What is this? What is happening? What is this? It's something to do with aliens. There's aliens on the chart. There are aliens on the chart, chat. All right, we got 37 minutes here. Market pushing back up. Like I said, that 5-minute chart kind of had those equal low, like kind of holding this low down here. Said that there might be some pushback up for now. But we're still learning. You know, we're just trying to learn. Trying to make a little bit of money. You guys learned a lot from the ICT. You guys learned a lot from the ICT mentorship. Well, I'm happy that you learned a lot because, well, we can't go back and see it again, or can we? How do I get back to my drawings? Oh, they're over there. Who drew these? We gotta remove all of this. Gotta get rid of it. This is my favorite part, though. This one. Get rid of that part. We gotta get rid of that part. We gotta get rid of the evidence. No more evidence. ICT is gone. The enigma is over. He got caught by the market maker / aliens. The aliens took ICT. They took him in a box. He's in the circle. The USA. He's on the moon. He's in the sun. It's, oh my God, ICT, USA, Pelosi. And this is where it all started. Right here, chat. Inside the circle. He's a bubble man. He's the enigma. He knows where the market is at all times. And now he's gone forever. We'll never see that drawing ever again. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully. Really the best mentorship ever. I mean, I don't want to lie, but I think it is. I think we pretty much, we solved a lot of problems in the world. You know, people always ask me, Patrick, what's the secret to life? I'm like, well, the secret is not the secret. The secret is the enigma. And it's in my butt. I mean, in my hole. And so, what is your problem with ICT? I don't have a problem. Someone in the chat said, what's my problem with him? I don't have a problem. He owes me $500,000, but I mean, I don't have a problem with him. You know, I don't really have a problem. I mean, he just owes me $500,000, but you know, I don't know. Do I have a problem with him? No, you know, just trying to figure out where the fuck my money's at, ICT, you motherfucker. Oh my God. Invite him to the BDH. I invited him to the BDH, but he never showed up. He's a fugazi. He's a fugazi. What does ICT owe me $500,000 for? He owes me for this. All right. We made a bet. We made a man's bet. We made a man's bet, and this motherfucker did not pay. It's simple. It's $500,000. Pay me my money, you motherfucker. Man, that's an old one. Look at that. That's one of my old cars. I haven't seen that in a while. That was my first McLaren that I ever bought. I'm trying to find the actual video or the actual post where he said he's gonna, oh my God, look at this one. Tanya Trades. Back when we were friends. Oh yeah, here he is. All right, so ICT back in 2024 said he's gonna take. This is him responding to my $500,000 bet, right? He said he was gonna take all my money, but he never did. He never won the ICT tournament. What happened, ICT? Back when I used to trade on Tradeify live account, we were up $170,000. I think I'm still the highest amount of money anybody's ever made at Tradeify. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe not. I think. In a live account, at least. Yeah, this is like recently the thingy there, so. We be out here. We be doing it live on the YouTube. We just went live with Blue Sky. Blue Sky is now on onlyprofirms.com. You can trade with Blue Sky. Let's check out this bad boy. Check out these bad boys. Hold on a second. That's why they got an alien. We just made a whole post about aliens. And now there's a website with an alien on it. Is it a coincidence? I don't know. I don't know. I think it's a coincidence. Maybe. We got the Propel accounts. The 50K account is $112 right now. You've got end of day trailing, 34% consistency. You got that. They got this Orbit account too. I think the Propel is the one on sale right now. So, yeah, I know Blue Sky has been around for a while. I'm not saying they're new. Did I say that? If you you want to check them out, use that code PW. You already know. You already know. Blue sky. Get the alien probe. The Asian guy. Yeah, the profit target for the 150K TPT accounts are $9,000. Correct. You are not wrong. You are right. So obviously I went over. We went over the buffer there, obviously. So I think it's gonna dump again. Let's see. Can we get more to the downside? We're just playing around here, having a little bit of fun. Don't take this is I'm not serious. We're just trading. If it goes down, it goes down. If it goes up, it goes up. We got D money coming up here at 12 o'clock. Got 15 minutes. Going into this hourly candle close, I do feel like there's a chance that we pull back here some more. Let's see. I got to show D money who's boss real quick. Give me a 100-point trade before this candle closes. Max accounts. Yes, max accounts. Uh-oh. Talk too soon. I talked too soon. I talked too soon. They held that low for now, popped it right back up. I'm okay if we lose. Basically, if we get stopped out here, that's fine because we're still we got the consistency rule on take profit trader either way. So I'm gonna lose money today at some point just to get back below that 50% consistency rule. $4,500 is basically what you want to make in a day with take profit trader, but we'll see. I thought maybe going into this hourly candle close, we could get some movement to the downside here. There's a lot of choppity chopping. A lot of choppity chopping. How do you stay calm when things aren't going your way? I mean, I don't know. Do I stay calm? I'd say the best thing to do is just kind of size down. You know, if you're struggling, whatever your issues are. Normally the best thing to do as a day trader is just to size down. Reduce your risk, you know. Crying might help as well. Somebody said that crying, you could cry. You know, that I don't know if that's the best idea, but it could help maybe. Ask the aliens for help. It could be possible as well. Just kind of like very, I don't know what you call this price action today. We are continuing to go lower. It's just, it wants to make it as hard as possible. It seems like, I don't know. Ask the aliens for help. Journal how you're feeling in your notebook. Yeah, no, that's the gayest thing anyone has ever said in the chat. This guy, we might need to ban this guy just because. Alon X74 says, journal how you're feeling in your notebook. Yeah, I don't know. We might have to ban this guy. Guys, we need a lot of rainbows. Chat, tell this guy how gay he is. Please, I can't even, I'm lost for words. That's got to be the gayest thing we've ever seen in the chat. And we've seen a lot of gay things in the chat, but this fucking guy right here says journal how you're feeling in your notebook. Okay, yeah, journal it, okay? Just fucking write in your little notebook why you're gay, okay? Just write in there how gay you are, okay? Be like, Patrick, I'm gay. Yeah, we know you have a notebook. All right. I mean, I always think about like my day trading, my journal. What would it be? Like, I'd be like, you know, hey, dear journal, today I got long at open and the market went straight down. Dear journal, today I shorted at the bottom and the market went straight up. Dear journal, today I blew up all of my accounts. Dear journal, tomorrow is FOMC day. I don't want to trade. Dear journal. Dear journal, today I woke up. I had a dream that I made money, but I looked at my account and I saw that I was only red. Dear journal, I woke up this morning, I brushed my teeth, and then I blew my accounts. God damn it! I don't know. What's the point of the journal? I don't get the journal. I mean, I think the funny thing is, like, the reason that majority of day traders or influencers promote journals, can I tell y'all why? And I might ruin it for everybody, but the reason that they promote journals is not because they use them, it's because they want you to buy them so they can get affiliate commissions, right? Like I get phone calls all the time or emails from people trying to get me to promote their journal, and I tell them the truth. I'm like, honestly, I can't. It's gay. You know, not to say that there's anything wrong with having some kind of, you know, trading journal, I guess, but yeah, all the influencers, they just promote journals because you know, they get paid to. So, dear journal, I am totally gay. Tim Murray just came out of the box. He came out of this circle. Tim Murray just came out of the circle. Chad said he thinks that it's good for people who trade and hold their trade for like 10R. Chad, those traders don't exist. They just be losing. What are you talking about? Ain't nobody getting 10R on the regular. What are you talking about? Risa Jane says that she loves accounting, so she nerds out on KPIs. What the fuck is a KPI? That's got to be the gayest thing I've ever heard as well. KPI. Oh, man. KPI. Chat, it's moving down. Key performance indicator. Yeah, that sounds gay. That just sounds gay. Sounds really gay. What's the best time to trade? Best time to trade is whenever the aliens aren't anally probing you. I'm just saying, you know. Best time to trade is when the aliens are not anally probing you. Because if you're trading while the anal probe is happening, you might lose money. So basically, there's ICT in the circle. There's aliens. They have probes. They bend you over. They probe you. And then the enigma happens. There's enigma inside the circle. But the enigma cannot happen if the alien does not probe you. So basically, the probing has to happen. Am I gonna get banned from YouTube for drawing anal probing? I don't know. It might. I might get banned for life. That's my journal for the day. This is true. My journal for the day right there. The liquidity grab, man. NASDAQ down there to the 52s. That was 50 points either way. Maybe might squeeze back up here. Got 5 minutes until this hourly candle closes. Kind of putting in a higher low right now there on the 5-minute chart. We got to see what happens. Yeah. Someone said get long at 70 forever. Okay, we're gonna go straight down now. Get ready. Straight down, Lieutenant Dan. Straight down. John S says, it closed above the blue line. Get out of the short. Well, John S, guess what? It went back down. What do I do now, dumbass? What do you want me to do now, John S? Mr. John S. Look at him. It closed above the blue line. You gotta get out. You gotta get out. You shut it. You shut it, boy. Patrick, passed my first evaluation today. I have 4 more. Should I do flex on 3 and daily payout on the other 2? Good question, my friend. Everybody always wants to know, what would I do if I did not win? And I always say the same thing. I guess we'll never know. Because it's very simple, right? If one man can hold you down, 2 men can rape you. Right? It's only math. So I like to always think about that. Always be thinking about that. We got 2 minutes here till the 12 o'clock candle. I only need to make $4,500 in these accounts today anyway, so I'm just kind of doing this trade for shits and giggles here. Shits and giggles. We got 20 seconds here. We got D-Money coming up at 12 o'clock, so I'm going to get out of here. I got to go. Shout out to D-Money, about to get that ass whooping. Chat, make sure you tell D-Money he's about to get that ass whooped. It's going to be a bloodbath. It's going to be like a small child crying. Patrick made too much money. He made too much money. So there it is. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up. I will see you guys next week. I'll see you next week. I'm not going to be here for like 4 or 5 days. I'm heading to Hawaii to go fishing. And then I'll be back. I'll be back. So, shout out to the BDH. We out of here. I'll see you guys later on. Peace to the Middle East. Have fun with D-Money. Have fun with Denny. Because I'm on the road. I'm on the road. I'm on the road. Someone said that D-Money can beat me in a UFC fight. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Are you fucking... I would... if I punch D-Money, if I could punch him and he would fly across the ring. I could do a little kick, do a little side kick, and he would fly across the fucking ring. Get out of here. All right, I'm out of here. I'll see you guys later on. Peace.